Welcome to ScholarMatics. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use the quadratic formula to solve quadratic equations, to find the roots of quadratic equations. The only time we can use the quadratic formula is if our equation that was given to us is not factorizable. If the equation is not factorizable, we can use the quadratic formula. And also it depends on what your teacher told you to use. So if your teacher says you should use the quadratic formula, then go ahead and use the quadratic formula. Let's take this quadratic equation 3x squared plus 6x minus 2 equal to 0. So our quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this is our a. The coefficient of x squared is our a. The coefficient of x is our b, and our constant is our c. So our a is 3, our b is 6, and our c is minus 2 because we have negative before the 2. So our c is minus 2. So if we should input this into this formula, all you just have to do is make sure you understand this formula, make sure you know this formula, and you can write it down at any time. Okay, so we have x equal to minus b, our b is 6, so negative b as minus 6 plus or minus b squared, that is b squared, b is 6, 6 squared, that is 36, 6 times 6 minus 4 times a times c, a is 3, and b, c is minus 2, so we have 4 multiplied by 3 times minus 2. So this is minus 4 multiplied by minus 6. This should give us positive 24. So we can just input that here. So the next thing we have over 2 multiplied by a, our a is 3. So 2 multiplied by a, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So continuing from here, we have equals to minus 6 plus or minus 36 plus 24 is 60. 60 over 6. So this is same as minus 6 over 6 plus or minus root of 60 over 6. This would lead to this. You should know that. So since we can't get the square root of 60, we don't have a perfect square, okay, so this would give us, we have 6 divided by 6 is 1, so we have minus 1. So we have minus 1 plus or minus 60 over 6. So since we have plus or minus, it actually depends on the options you are given. This is the correct answer, but it depends on the options you are given, right? So this is minus 1 plus or minus. If you simplify this sort, we have 4 times 15. Root of 4 times 15. Okay, root of 4 times root of 15 is going to give us the root of 60. So the root of 4 is 2. So we are going to have 2 root 15 over 6. So this is our correct answer. Minus 1 plus or minus 2 root 15 over 6. So you can also write it in this form. Minus 1 plus 2 root 15 over 6, or 1 minus 1 minus 2 root 15 over 6. So these are the two roots of the equation. Hope you found this lesson interesting and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Bye.